Hello, it's Chris. What I have here is a rim for a Toyota Corolla, and I am going to mount a tire on this rim using good old school, old-fashioned tire irons. Why? Because I'm too cheap and I don't want to pay somebody to have to do it by using machines and mechanized contraptions for like $40 a tire or whatever. I can do this in a matter of, maybe, well, some minutes, but we'll make it happen. So, the first thing we're going to do is install a 0.453 inch valve stem into the rim. And you literally just kind of push it in. You'll see there's a little kerf there, a little notch that'll lock right in there. Just push it right in. I can almost do this with one hand. You can maybe add a little soap onto it if you want. All right, so there it is. It's poked through, sealed tight. It's a 1 1/4 inch stem, and with that in place, we now put the tire on. So now look at the rim as if it's a bell. This is the deep side right here. That's the inner side of the bell. This is the top of the bell. What we're going to do is put the deep side of the bell down first. And the secret is we're going to put the bottom of the rim, or put the tire over this side first, and then we're going to use this kerf right here. If you'll notice right here, this is what we're going to have to use to get the edge of the tire into this kerf to get the second part over this. And I'll show you how I'm going to do that. We'll put a little soap on it, pop it on. This part's usually kind of easy. So put a little soap on here, just a little dish soap, a little brush. Proceed to push this on here. Got my spoons. This is it. 3 spoons. Let's get to work. Yeah, so one side's on. I'll show you how to do the other side. All right, so now what we have to do is set the bead onto the rim. And there's no way you're going to be able to do this with a bicycle pump or even a regular air pump. First thing you have to do to get the air in, you have to get the air in fast to like push this and blow it out. And you're going to need to remove the core, the little needle valve from within the valve right here. So there's a little tool. You can get them anywhere. Grabs it. Grabs this Schrader valve, I think it's called. You just kind of spin that right out of there. All right, there it is. Put a I'm gonna hit this hard. You'll hear the rim pop onto the bead. Good. You want to get the bead on this first. Yeah, so it's on. So now, put the core back in here and fill her up. Put that in there. Tool. Tight. You don't want to strip it too hard. It's just put this on here. Pull her up. Alrighty. That's good. Put this back on, and we are all set. Unidirectional snow tire. And there you have it. Not one, but two. Two mounted tires, mounted snow tires. Nice and bouncy, full of air. All right, put them on the car, and we're off to the races. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching.